Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about Dot's earbuds. This earbuds feature a powerful 13mm driver that delivers incredible sound quality. Seamless connection with Bluetooth 5.1 and fast charging with the convenient Type-C connector. Sweat and splash proof thanks to IPX5 water resistant. Effortless control with intuitive touch controls. Stay connected with voice assistant access for hands-free control. Now it's time to pair your Dot's earbuds to your device. First, open your device Bluetooth. Now open the lid of your Dot's earbuds and take out your earbuds from the case. Here you can see your Tempt Dots click and pair. Now your Dot's earbuds is successfully connected to your device. Now you can control everything with tap. Single tap for play or pause. Double tap your right earbuds to skip to the next track. Double tap your left earbuds to go to the previous track. Triple tap for assistant. Find your perfect fit. Dot's earbuds come in 4 distinct colors. Well, that's all. Now you're a pro at navigating Dot's earbuds.